see, our warehouse team will take a picture and also scan the barcode. See, each item we require. That's why we require each item have the barcode outside. We will scan here to make sure if one order contains multiple SKU, we do not pick up wrong items. So if every item is correct, the light is green. If we pick up wrong items, they will set alarm. So we can make sure every order is correct item inside.